Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Animaze virtual camera for Ome TV. First of all, download and install Animaze for your PC. Open your browser and search Animaze download on Google. Then go to the Animaze site and download it. I have already downloaded and installed it. Now go to the Start and open Regedit on your PC. Now press Ctrl+F and open Find on Regedit. Then type Animaze virtual camera and click on Find Next. Keep Find until you see friendly name of Animaze virtual camera. Now double click on that and rename it to HD Webcam C200. So you have to find tree-friendly name of Animaze. Find all and rename to HD Webcam C200. After that, close it. Now right click on this PC and open Manage. Then find your real webcam and disable it. Check your webcams in cameras or imaging device. Once done, minimize it and open Ome TV. And you can see Ome TV working with Animaze. Also you can see it's selected HD Webcam C200. If you have seen error, then select HD Webcam C200 and it will work. Now minimize your browser and open Device Manager. After that, enable your webcam. Now open Animaze. It will detect your webcam automatically. If not, go to the settings on Animaze and select it. After that, click on Enable Virtual Camera. Now you can see it's working with Ome TV. I hope this video will help you. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.